Acorns versus Wealthfront. What is the best investing app? Hey everyone, if you're looking to invest and trying to choose between Acorns and Wealthfront, you're in the right place. Today I'll break down the differences between these two popular investing apps so you can decide which one's best for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Acorns. Acorns is great for beginners who want a hands-off investment approach. It rounds up everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. You can also set up recurring deposits, so it's simple and automatic and perfect for people who don't want to actively manage your investments. Wealthfront, on the other hand, is a more traditional robo-advisor. It's designed for people who want a bit more control over their investment strategy. With Wealthfront, you'll answer a series of questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and the app builds a diversified portfolio for you. It also offers tax loss harvesting, which can help lower your tax bill. Acorns charges a monthly fee starting at $3 for its basic plan, but there are additional fees for premium services. Wealthfront charges a 0.25% annual fee for managing your investments, which is relatively low but can add up if you're having a large portfolio. When it comes to investment options, both platforms offer a range of portfolios. So which is better? If you're just getting started with investing and want something easy and automatic, Acorns is a solid choice. But if you're looking for more customization, a broader range of investments and advanced features like tax loss harvesting, Wealthfront might be the better option. I hope that was clear enough for you. Thanks for watching.